Samsung has finally done it 16 years after launching its first Android smartphone. The company has made a mid-range phone that performs like a flagship, the Galaxy A56, while other brands have long offered smooth and fast software experiences on mid-range devices. Even with heavily customized Android skins, Samsung only truly nailed software optimization on its flagship phones 2 years ago. The Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra were the first Samsung flagships to deliver a properly optimized software experience matching the smoothness and stutter-free performance of Apple's iPhones. Before that, even Samsung's premium devices had occasional stutters and noticeable performance degradation over time, not to the point of being laggy or unusable, but enough to feel less refined, especially considering a price with the Galaxy S23 series, particularly the S23 Ultra. Samsung turned things around over the past 2 years. The company has continued refining its software, and now those optimizations are making a noticeable impact on its mid-range lineup. It's possible that the Galaxy A56's impressive performance is due to its powerful new Exynos chip, rather than just software improvements, or perhaps it's a combination of both. Either way, the results speak for themselves, and they're fantastic. The Galaxy A56 isn't flawless. There are occasional hiccups in UI animations, and scrolling in some apps can be a bit inconsistent. However, these issues are infrequent. More often than not, I forget I'm using a mid-range Samsung phone. A remarkable feat, considering I switched to the A56 from the S25 Ultra. Gaming performance is excellent thanks in part to the A56 large vapor changer cooling system, which matches the size of the one in the Galaxy S24 Plus. Even after half an hour of playing Call of Duty and taking down zombies, the device barely got warm. That said, thermal management was already quite good on last year's Galaxy A55. Samsung has also highlighted improvements in camera shutter lag and lens switching speed. Though I haven't tested the cameras extensively enough to confirm those claims, I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more interesting videos. Stay tuned.